Hello, welcome back. Quickly, I'll be showing you how you can use an app called Anydex from your mobile phone to control a PC or a laptop, provided the app is installed on both the devices. That's on the PC and on your phone. First of all, you would need to get what we call the address of the system, of which I already have from my PC here that ended with 02 on the title bar here. So now you just have to click on next and you wait for it. In the process of waiting for it, what it does basically is that it tries to send an acceptance request to the host's laptop or the host's PC, and the person accepts. Once you accept, it comes up like this. So now how you do it is basically you can move your hand on the screen to move around the mouse. Then once you do that, you can bring it to something like the start icon and click on start, and you can control the screen, move it around, do whatever you want on the system. Possibly this is useful in cases where you are not with your laptop, you need to access a file, the person doesn't know how to do it, you can easily use your mobile phone. In terms of the user experience, you might also want to possibly turn on your auto rotate so that you can have wider access to your screen and the rest. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe and see you in the next one.